All right, today I want to show you a fun strategy I like to use sometimes when I'm counting coins. And that strategy has a very funny name, and it's called Hairy Money. Hairy Money? What a funny name. Why hairy? Well, we are going to draw hair on top of our coins to represent a certain value. Okay? So you're going to see me draw sticks, and you're going to see me draw dots. And each stick is worth 5. Each dot is worth 1. So when you see a stick, you know it represents 5. And every time you see a dot, it's going to represent 1. Okay? So when I look at my quarter, I'm going to have to make 25 cents worth of my sticks for my hair. Okay? So I'm going to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So there's 5 sticks of hair for the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, my next is the dime, and the dime is worth 10. And so I need to make my sticks of hair until I get to 10. So 5, 10. So he only has 2 little sticks of hair. Almost looks like little rabbit ears. But so that's worth 10 because each one is worth 5. So now I move to my nickel, and that means he only has 1 little hair on the top of his head because he is only worth 5. But now I'm going to move into my penny. And you say, oh no, what am I supposed to do with my penny? I can't put sticks on the penny. The penny's only worth 1. Well, that's where those dots come in handy. So my penny's worth 1. I'm going to put 1 dot to represent 1 cent. Okay? So now, when I'm counting my money, I can count by 5s or I can count by 1s. So let's do an example. All right, so let's start in our quarters. And remember, our quarters have 5 sticks of hair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, each stick is worth 5 cents. So again, with my next quarter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't George Washington look so silly in his mohawk? Now I've got my dimes. And remember, dimes have 2 sticks of hair. And those 2 sticks represent 5, 10. Okay, and now I move to my nickel, and my nickel only has 1 stick of hair. And my pennies, remember, they each get 1 dot to represent 1 cent. So now, when I'm counting, I can count by 5s. So I'm going to start at this stick here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Now I can count into my 1s. 91, 92, 93. So in all, I have 93 cents. Okay, and that's using that hairy money strategy. Let's try it one more time. Okay, so I'm going to add some more room up here because it looks like my numbers got a little cut off last time. Okay, but same thing. So on our quarters have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks of hair. And each one of those sticks of hair represents 5 cents. On my dimes, I'm going to put 2 sticks of hair, little bunny ears. And then on my nickels, they only have 1 stick of hair. And on my pennies, they have one circle, one dot to represent 1 cent. Okay, so now we can start counting our sticks by fives. So start over here, 5, 10, hopefully you're counting with me, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 95. What comes next when I'm counting by fives is 100. 100, and then one more is 101. So I have 101 cents, which is also equal to $1.01. Okay? So that's just a different strategy you can use when counting coins. And I would say if you wanted to use this strategy, that means you're very comfortable counting by fives.